This batch is H2M1. This batch is H2M1. Okay. So I think we have covered conduction part now. Conduction was completed in the last lecture. So today we have to cover these two topics. First one is convection. Today we will cover convection and radiation. The second is radiation. This class is of 3 hours. ब्रेक बता देना, जैसे बताओगे वैसे दे देंगे, ठीक है. कंडक्शन एंड कन्वेक्शन वी हैव टू कवर, बट फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट. यस बेटा,
आधी चैप्टर खत्म.
आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल.
सर
So we will start with a question of conduction. I will take a question with conduction. Suppose three rods are there. Three rods are there having equal resistance. Having equal resistance. This one and this one. This temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. This temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. Find this temperature. The resistance of each rod is RR provided. RR. So you have to find the temperature of the junction. Find junction temperature. What will be the temperature of junction? Time's up. It's very simple. बहुत आसान है ये. देखो, this is higher temperature, this one is lower temperature, so heat will flow from this direction, this one. So I current will come, it will go in form of half equally, I by 2 and I by 2. What you need to do is that you have to make it I is equals to I by 2 plus I by 2. Okay, so this I will be 100 minus T by R, that is equals to this I by 2, that this I by 2 will be T minus 60 by R plus T minus 60 by R. Simple. ठीक है. So the final answer will be 100 minus T is equals to R. R will get eliminate. This is equals to 2T minus 120. So 3T is equals to 220. So T is equals to 220 by 3. This will be the temperature. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Meha clear? Sidel, Devanshi?
यस सर.
Yes.
किसी को भी डाउट है? Any doubt with this question? What we have applied a junction law. You will study the junction law in your 12th in current, but you can clearly see whatever amount of heat is coming from this 100 degrees Celsius source, it will get distributed equally because these are symmetric rods. Okay, clear? Inlet is equals to outlet. Is it clear? Any doubt? कोई doubt है? Okay. So next is convection. Just a minute. जाता नहीं है जल्दी यार. Just a minute बेटा. Screen visible ना? Is it visible?
यस.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is convection. So what is convection? Convection is mode of heat transfer in which medium travels itself, है ना? Convection is a mode of heat transfer in which medium travels to carry the energy. Clear? So convection will be of two type. Convection will be of two types of convection. One will be free convection. One is free convection. एक होगा free convection. ठीक है? Free convection. This is free convection. And second will be forced convection. एक होगा free, एक होगा forced convection. So in case of free convection, what will happen? Suppose if you are having a cup of tea and that's cooling by itself. Simple सा ऐसा है. This is the tea, and this is cooling by itself. So what's happening? Actually, air will come. Air will come. This air will come, and it will absorb the heat energy. Then it will go by. Okay. The same process will start. The next portion of medium will come. It will absorb the energy and it will go. Then next portion of air will come. So this is a free convection. This is the free convection. Okay. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is free
It is
convection. But in case, suppose if you apply some external force or fan, this is फूक रहे हो आप, ये fan लगा रहे हो. So this is called forced convection. Suppose if you use a fan, so
plus
this fan will change the motion of air, है ना? वो क्या करेगा? It will increase the motion of air. So this will be the forced convection. Clear? Is it clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
No, I didn't understand.
Better, the first one is free convection. Suppose if you are having a cup of tea and the natural process of convection is happening, air is coming, it is absorbing the energy and it is going from the same path. You know? Next air will come, then next air will come. Okay, so this is the free convection. But in case of forced convection, what's happening? You're applying some external force, like you are using a fan, so you are controlling the air circulation. So this is called forced convection. Clear? Neha?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, है ना? यार जैसे चाय है, सपोज यू आर हैविंग टी और कॉफी, कुछ भी है, गर्म चीज है आपके हाथ में. सो वो अपने आप जल्दी ठंडा होगा या उसे फूकेंगे तो जल्दी ठंडा होगा? बोलो, कब होगा?
फूकेंगे.
है ना? सो द फोर्स कन्वेक्शन में थर्ड एजेंट है ना, थर्ड मतलब थर्ड एजेंट क्या यहाँ पे क्या है? दिस इज द फैन इज द थर्ड एजेंट. ओके, व्हाई वी कॉलिंग थर्ड एजेंट? बिकॉज टी को यू कैन अज्यूम द फर्स्ट वन, एयर इज द सेकंड मीडियम, है ना? थर्ड ऐसे बोलने के लिए समझा रहा है. सो यू अप्लाइंग एक्सटर्नल एजेंट टू कंट्रोल द कन्वेक्शन. दिस इज कॉल्ड फोर्स कन्वेक्शन. दिस इज कॉल्ड फोर्स कन्वेक्शन. ठीक है? इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर है? बस इतना ही
Yeah,
है.
sir.
And what happen in case of convection? Suppose this is the hot surface. This one is hot surface. Hot surface. Having temperature T. Having temperature T. So it will release heat to the medium. It will release heat to the medium. This is the energy dq by dt, and this is the medium. This is the medium. Temperature difference between medium and this medium, you can take Tm. So what will happen? Medium will come, it will absorb the energy, then it will go. The next medium will come, absorb the energy, and it will go. Okay. So delta T is the temperature difference. Delta T is T minus Tm. We call it temperature difference. Temperature difference. So dq by dt is proportional to temperature difference, the first one. The second one is dq by dt is proportional to exposed area. A is exposed area. to the air, exposed area. Clear? And when you remove this proportionality, you will get a formula that dq by dt is equals to HA delta T. It's very simple. Okay. What's H here? H is coefficient of convection. We call it.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, beta, you're audible.
Yeah, sir. And dq by dt is a dt time or temperature.
Yeah, energy. This one is energy. This one is time. We were using dq by dt in the conduction ना conduction में use कर रहे थे. ठीक है.
हाँ सर.
कंडक्शन में कहीं पे भी ऐसा लगा कि वो टेम्परेचर है. डी क्यू इज एनर्जी, दिस इज टाइम. मैंने भी बताया दिस इज पावर. डिक्यूबिलिटी इज पावर. हीट करंट, वी वर कॉलिंग इट हीट करंट. बोल रहे थे कि नहीं बोल रहे थे? हीट करंट है ना.
सर. हाँ.
दिस इज द हीट करंट. हीट करंट. So here H is coefficient of convection, A is exposed area, delta T is temperature difference. Delta T is temperature difference. Clear है कि नहीं? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. ठीक है, नोट कर लो. On next slide we will cover on which factor H will depend है ना. H का value depends on various factor. So we will cover on the next slide.
So can you go to the previous slide once?
This one.
Yes, sir, just once. Thank you, sir.
You just let me know when you are done with this slide. So next,
Sir.
value of H. Value of H depends on first one. The first one, viscosity. Viscosity of medium. So viscosity पे कैसे करेगा बताओ. Higher the viscosity of medium, better the convection. ऐसा होगा? क्या होगा बताओ?
So lower the viscosity.
Yeah, lower the viscosity, higher the value of H. क्यों? Better the mobility, higher, better will the convection. Okay. So viscosity, this is the coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. So lower the viscosity, better the mobility of medium, higher the value of H. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? किसी को भी doubt है इसमें? बोलो. Second one.
Sir, logic.
Yes, it is.
You said something ना मतलब उसके पीछे जो logic था, could you please repeat?
Mobility है ना. Simple है. Lower the viscosity, better will be the movement of medium. Clear?
Sir, thank you.
Simple. Huh? The next one is expansion. Thermal expansion of medium. बताओ. What about thermal expansion of medium? Next is thermal expansion of medium. Thermal expansion of medium. I will take gamma. So if gamma is higher of air, so what will happen? This I will leave to कि कैसे आएगा. Better the thermal expansion, H बड़ा होगा छोटा होगा. सोचो बताओ. टाइम ले लो, क्योंकि सोचोगे तो फिर याद रहेगा, अदरवाइज लिख लोगे तो याद करना पड़ेगा. Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर।
हाँ तो बताओ, सोच के बताओ बेटा. Higher the thermal expansion, higher the coefficient of thermal expansion, the density will decrease when the air will expand. So what will happen, that now the air will become a, suppose initially it was having a density rho. If coefficient of thermal expansion is high, so what will happen after absorbing the energy, this will become rho by 2, so this will go up. Now next air will come. Okay, so when the density decreases, the movement will increase. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Make clear.
Sir. Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt with this? The third one is heat capacity. Heat capacity of medium. Now again I will leave this to you. सोचो और बताओ, बेटर द हीट कैपेसिटी तो अच्छा होगा, या खराब हीट कैपेसिटी ऑफ एयर तब मूवमेंट अच्छा होगा. सोचना, उसमें कई सारी चीज़ें लिंक होंगी. व्हेन इट एब्जॉर्ब द एनर्जी, तो टेम्परेचर चेंज भी आएगा, टेम्परेचर चेंज से थर्मल एक्सपेंशन भी आता है. तो कई सारी ये दोनों चीज़ें लिंक हैं आपस में. 2 and 3 आर लिंक टुगेदर. ओके, 2 and 3 आर लिंक टुगेदर. अब आपस में निकालोगे उसमें इन दोनों को लिंक करके. तो थर्ड वाला भी सोच के बताओ कि कैसा रहेगा. थर्ड वाला किस तरीके से आएगा, सोचो. जो आपने,
क्योंकि सर जितना हीट एब्जॉर्ब करेगा उतना वो मूव नहीं कर पाएगा ना.
हाँ ठीक है, देखो, लोअर द हीट कैपेसिटी बेटर द वैल्यू ऑफ एच. क्यों? C इज इक्वल्स टू डी क्यू बाई डी टी. हाँ या ना? दिस डी टी इज टेम्परेचर. सो लोअर द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, द टेम्परेचर, दिस इज राइज इन टेम्परेचर है ना, दिस इज द rise in temperature. So when the temperature will increase, so that means expansion is better. Okay, expansion क्या हो जाएगा? Expansion better होगा ना, हाँ या ना? So
हाँ सर.
density will decrease, so better movement. Clear है कि नहीं? Is it clear? This is density. So lower the heat capacity, higher the value of expansion, higher the value of dt, temperature will rise, expansion will be better, density will decrease, better the movement. Clear? Is it clear? Clear hai? Any doubt?
So
Yes.
a good value of heat capacity is the lesser value or the larger value?
A good value of heat capacity is the lesser value or larger value. क्या? Doesn't, समझा नहीं.
As in
If
so
a
वो कहते हैं
medium,
ना
if
कि
a
water
medium,
की
if a medium is having good heat capacity, then the convection will not be better. If it is having less value of heat capacity, then convection will be better.
yeah sir.
ओके, लिखा तो है, देखो एरो, इसका मतलब यही है. दीज एरोस, दीज वन. अब ये देखो, ये सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन आएगा नीट में, सिंपल सा ऐसे ही कि व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन विस्कोसिटी एंड एच, इस तरीके से. ठीक है, और जब तक कि आपने उसे समझा नहीं है तो उसे याद करना बड़ा अजीब सा रहता है. समझ लिया तो इट्स वेरी इजी. क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट.
What is the logic?
यस सेटल.
Can we go to the previous slide for 1 minute? Logic behind the last thing is that more the heat capacity, more the energy will take to change 1 degree Celsius. No?
Yeah. Now, less the heat capacity. Lesser the heat capacity, larger will be the temperature change. This is inversely proportional, na? C and dt are inversely proportional, na?
So if more the heat capacity, it takes more amount of energy to change 1 degree Celsius. No?
Yeah. So the dt will be less, then expansion will be less, the density will not change. Okay.
Yes.
It will change, but the amount of change will be less, so the movement will not be as fast as expected to be the large density. Next is Citadel clear. Citadel clear.
Yeah, so clear.
Next one is the shape of. Next one is, the fourth one is shape. Suppose if you are having 4 utensils having equal area but their shape are different. Shape of area exposed. So it also depends on the shape of area exposed. Suppose you are having 3 utensils having equal area but their shape are different. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. The heat is releasing in this way. All are having equal area. Area is equal, but shape is different. They are having equal area. And this one. बताओ अपने आइडिया से which one will be having better convection. किसमें मूवमेंट इजी होगा? This one is the first one. अच्छा area same. Area equals to A. Area equals to A. Area equals to A. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. Which one will be having better convection? The first one, second one, or the third one? Which one? Which one? I think it will be easier to release energy in the first one, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आराम से लेके निकल जाएगा, यहाँ पे एयर एस फ्लैट रहेगा, यहाँ पे फंसेगा हीट, है कि नहीं? क्लियर है कि नहीं? H1 is greater than H2 greater than H3. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? इसमें मूवमेंट इजी होगा, निकलना ऐसा निकलना इजी होगा. इट विल बी इजियर टू एस्केप. इसमें फंस जाएगा हीट यहाँ पे, है ना, उसका मूवमेंट ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो convection in the first one will be better than second one, will be better than third one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Clear है?
So
Yes.
H1 and H2 में I didn't get it.
H1 in the first one, देखो इसमें भी क्या होगा, इसमें मूवमेंट इतना अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा, सीधे वर्टिकल हो सकता है. इसमें डिस्पर्स हो रहा है, तो जैसे से आगे बढ़ रहा है इट विल बी गेटिंग मोर एरिया टू एब्जॉर्ब, है ना, है कि नहीं? डिस्पर्स हो रहा है. ठीक है,
Okay, so got it.
क्लियर? चलो, सो कन्वेक्शन इज कंप्लीट. यू विल रेयरली गेट अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम कन्वेक्शन, बट स्टिल उसको कंप्लीट करवाना था क्योंकि वो बच्चे छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, तो कन्वेक्शन समझ में आ गया अच्छे से? इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रेडिएशन. इसी में ही है ना, रेडिएशन. अच्छा, रेडिएशन का एक काम करते हैं. रेडिएशन का वी विल क्रिएट अनदर फाइल, है ना. कन्वेक्शन का इतना ही रखते हैं और रेडिएशन का हम लोग दूसरा फाइल बना लेते हैं, क्योंकि फिर नंबर ऑफ फाइल्स बढ़ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ये लेक्चर यहीं पे रोकते हैं.